I'm going to be answering some of the questions people ask me almost all the time, every day. Like, I go to school and I get these questions. Just pisses me off, kind of, but not really. First question. How do you get your hair to stay like that? My secret ninja powers. Second question. What race are you? I'm black, Indian, Mexican, and white. That's 4 things to create me. Third question, yeah. What hair products do you use? Gotta be glued and salon graphics, and it's hairspray, but it holds your hair, like freezes it so it can stay good. And yeah, like, random question that somebody asked me today. Do you own a dog? No shit. Doesn't everybody own a dog? And I think, like, he's right there. He's sleeping. Yeah. He's such a douchebag. He's a little poodle and I love him. Second question. What's your favorite animal? A kitty cat. Yeah, like, people ask me the weirdest questions all the time. So, if you have a question, I don't care if it's weird or anything, just ask me. Oh, yeah. Another question. How old are you? 14. Like, yeah, people ask me the weirdest questions, like, every single day. So, don't be afraid to ask me a question. Bye.